matte, but it did not make it matte. This does nothing at all. Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great, keeping good care of yourselves. So I've spent thousands and thousands of hours watching 5-minute craft videos and wondering if they actually work or not. But guess what? Today that's what we're going to do. We're going to put some of these hacks on test and see if they actually work or not. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, my nail paint is kind of sort of chipped and it's looking ugly AF. So what I'm going to do is, the first hack is of removing the nail paint with vinegar and lemon. So you go see the process. I'm going to get my ingredients ready and then I'm going to see. Okay, so I guess you all can see me. So the hack was, you need some vinegar and some lemon and you will be ready with a nail paint remover thingy. So I am like a little bit positive about it because ये दोनों चीज़ citric है, so it might work. I mean, I don't know, it just sounds a little promising to me. So I have my vinegar. I do not like vinegar का smell. Then I have my lemon. And इसको इसमें डाल के we're gonna make a concoction kind of a thing. And now I'm gonna go on and remove my nail paint. For this, obviously we need cotton. So my cotton is here, and let's see if it works. Guys, this does nothing at all. I literally went so many times with it. I rubbed it nicely, but it did nothing. All it did was made my nails smell like vinegar, which I am not a very big fan of. पहला ही hack में चोपा हो चुका है. पहला hack was fail and it did not work. I'm gonna give this thumbs down. Do not try this. But I'm gonna tell you a hack. If you do not have nail paint remover and if you want to remove your nail paint, all you're gonna do is take some deodorant. Take some cotton, spray a little bit of deodorant on your cotton. See, nail paint is gone. It's not as finished as you get when you're using nail paint remover, because obviously nail paint remover is meant to remove your nail paint. But this is better than this. इसने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया है. You can see इससे कितना nail paint बाहर आ गया है. So yeah, ये एक hack है जो काम करेगा. Do not try this. So yeah, we'll move on to our second hack. So you see the hack and I'm gonna get ready with all the ingredients. Alright, so for the second hack, we are gonna make like a stencil kind of a thing with sellotape, and we are gonna take the sellotape, cut a heart shape and then put it on our nails and see if heart is on our nails or not. It's kind of like nail art and thing, and you obviously saw it, so there's no point of me explaining it to you what we have to do. So I had very big scissors. I specifically bought this scissor for this video so that I'm able to cut heart. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so I managed to make like a heart thingy. I don't know if you can see or not, but I have my nail paint with me right here. So I'm gonna put it on my nails and see if it actually works. Okay, so this is how the heart looks. Yeah, I guess this will work, but मेरा जो सेलोटेप है वो निकालते टाइम टूट गया, as you can see. So obviously ये सारे nails के लिए काम नहीं करेगा. You'll have to make separately for all of your nails. So that is a lot of hustle. So this is how it is looking. It obviously looks like a heart, and जैसे मैंने काटा था वैसे ही आया है. So I mean this does work, but it's very I mean कौन इतना टाइम लगाएगा ऐसा हार्ट बनाने के लिए, वो भी नेल्स पे. So I don't know if you would do or not, but as long as the question is concerned, if it works or not, then yes, it does. but I don't think it's feasible. I will obviously not do something like this on 5 नाखून पे करने के लिए मेरे को 5 बार सेलो टेप काटना पड़ेगा, सेलो टेप की भी बर्बादी, टाइम की भी बर्बादी. I'm not gonna do that ever again, but yeah, as long as it's concerned if it works or not, yes it does. So you see what the third hack looks like. Okay, so for the next hack, you're gonna need some Fevicol or any adhesive glue that you have, and उसको अपने nails पे आपको लगाना है. And जब वो सूख जाए उसके ऊपर आपको nail paint लगाना है. And when you want to take it off, take the nail paint off, all you gotta do is to peel that Fevicol off, and you'll have fresh new nails again. I mean, you guys saw what the hack looks like, but ये फिर इतना इन लोग के hacks में इतना काम होता है ना. पहले मैं फेविकॉल लगाऊंगी, उसको वेट करूंगी सूखने का, फिर मैं उसके ऊपर नेल पेंट लगाऊंगी, फिर उसको वेट करूंगी. इतना कौन करता है यार. लिटरली आई विल नेवर डू इतना सारा काम. ऑल आई डू इज नेल पेंट लगाओ, उसको जल्दी से थोड़ी देर के लिए सुखाओ एंड नेल पेंट रिमूवर से रिमूव कर लो. और आई गिव यू दिस हैक, राइट. अगर आपके पास नेल पेंट रिमूवर नहीं है तो डीओ से हटा लो. इतना कौन करेगा. बट सिंस यू आर टेस्टिंग द हैक, सो लेट्स सी इफ इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स. सो उन्होंने ब्रश से लगाया, मैं अपना ब्रश बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहती फेविकॉल लगा के. सो आई एम गोना यूज माई फिंगर्स. ओके, सो मैंने फेविकॉल लगा लिया है. अब इसको सूखने तक का हमें वेट करना है एंड कितना टाइम लगेगा उसमें नहीं पता. सो यू सी द फोर्थ हैक. जब तक ये सूखता है तब तक हम लोग फोर्थ हैक कर लेते हैं एंड देन तब तक में अगर ये सूख गया देन वील सी इसका रिजल्ट. सो यू सी व्हाट द फोर्थ हैक लुक्स लाइक एंड आई एम गोना गेट रेडी विद द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. ओके, सो फॉर द फोर्थ हैक यू नीड सम नेल पेंट एंड थोड़ा सा कॉर्नफ्लोर. एंड आपको क्या करना है, नेल पेंट लगाना है. एंड इफ़ यू वांट मैट फिनिश, आप उस कॉर्नफ्लोर में डिप करके उसको डस्ट ऑफ कर दो एंड यू विल बी हैविंग मैट फिनिश्ड नेल्स. आई डोंट नो इफ इट विल वर्क और नॉट, क्योंकि वो तो फिर नेल पेंट के ऊपर कॉर्नफ्लोर चिपक जाएगा तो वो कैसा दिखेगा आई डोंट नो. सो वी गोना टेस्ट दैट आउट. सो आई हैव दिस नेल पेंट. बाय द वे आई लव मैट फिनिश्ड एवरीथिंग, बी इट नेल पेंट, बी इट लिपस्टिक. I love matte finish. So if this works, it's gonna be so much fun and so much handy for me. So yeah, let's see. So मैंने nail paint लगा लिया है as you can see, and I'm gonna dip it in cornflour. I don't know what to feel about it. Like this is how the nail paint is looking. It looks kind of okay on the camera, but ये था nail paint का shade और क्या था nail paint का shade और क्या अभी बन गया है. It looks kind of okay on the camera, but it does not look okay in real life. लग रहा है इसके ऊपर powder किसी ने डाल दिया है. One thing it did was it made the nail paint dry super quickly. But obviously dry करने के लिए I'm not going to use this. If you want your nail paint to dry super quickly, take just cold water, dip your nails in it and it will be dried. But it did make my nail paint matte, but it did not make it matte. Like इसने इसका shade अलग कर दिया है, इसके ऊपर white patches आ गया है, which is not looking good at all. So I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna give it benefit of doubt and you guys tell me if this hack worked or not. My Fevicol is still not dried, so we're gonna wait for it and then I'm gonna see you once this is dried. Okay, so as you can see that the Fevicol is finally dried. You know ये अभी से मेरे को फेल लग रहा है because आपका ये करने का क्या था आइडिया, राइट, कि आपको नेल पेंट रिमूव करने में टाइम लगेगा, एक ग्लाइड से ही निकल जाएगा, है ना. जब आपको नेल पेंट लगाने में इतना टाइम लग रहा है तो आप रिमूव करने में टाइम क्यों कम करोगे. इससे बेटर है कि लगा लो और 5 मिनट में रिमूव कर लो. तो मेरे को अभी से ही फीजिबल नहीं लग रहा है, बट बिकॉज वी आर टेस्टिंग इट आउट, सो लेट्स सी. सो मैंने इसके ऊपर नेल पेंट लगा लिया है. अब इसको टेस्ट करने के लिए वील हैव टू वेट अगेन टू सी व्हेन दिस विल ड्राई. वील हैव टू सी इफ दिस वर्क्स और नॉट. सो आई एम गोना सी यू लेटर. ओके, फाइनली आफ्टर 10,000 years my nail paint dried. So as long as removing nail paint is concerned, so it did remove my nail paint, but this is not feasible you guys. किसके पास इतना टाइम होता है कि वो फेविकॉल लगा के वेट करेगा उसका ड्राई होने के लिए, फिर नेल पेंट लगा के वेट करेगा उसका ड्राई होने के लिए, 5 मिनट बचाने के लिए नेल पेंट रिमूव करने टाइम. Like, are you kidding me? But yeah, this does work. It served its process. जो भी उसका काम था उसने उतना किया है. नेल पेंट तो चला गया है, but I don't know. Tell me in the comment section below if you would do this hack. I would never do this. Alright you all, so that was it for today's video. It was a lot of fun for me to try different hacks and see if they actually work or not. I hope it was fun for you to watch as well. If you did enjoy it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. Do tell me in the comment section below which hack for you sounded more promising. None of them were promising to me. I'm not gonna test any of this hack and use them in my real life. But yeah, I'll click on the bell notification to get notified. I might or might not make a part 2 or 3 or so on and so forth of this video. If you want, you can tell me, you can DM me, you can tell me in the comment section below. And yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Bye.